In this video, I'll show you guys how to get Temu items without inviting friends. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and watch this video to the end so you don't miss any steps. So first thing you want to do is just click on you. Now once you're here, you can click on win reward. Once you're here, make sure you pick farmland and not anything else. And now that you're here, all you have to do is just play this mini game, all you have to do is just water your plants. And once you run out of water, you can literally just invite friends to get more water. But they literally have a time for you to do it, and it's 141 days. As you can see on the top, it says 141. So you have plenty of time to get free stuff on Temu. There are also other stuff that you can do, like claim treasure chests for free water in some mini games down here. And by far, this is one of the best mini games that you can do on Temu for free stuff. So yeah, this is definitely worth your time. I've gotten like 3 new keyboards from this. So and now at the bottom you can see you can claim. Click that.